Welcome to Budget Buys, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. Today we're taking a closer look at the ASUS ROG Azoth wireless mechanical gaming keyboard, a premium compact gaming keyboard designed for enthusiasts who want customization, wireless performance, and high-end build quality. With a 75% layout, hot swappable switches, tri-mode connectivity, and a built-in OLED display, it's aimed at gamers and creators who want serious performance in a compact form factor. But the big questions buyers ask are, is this keyboard actually worth the price? How do the specifications translate into real everyday gaming and typing performance? And is it one of the best wireless mechanical keyboards available right now? Before we dive deeper into the details, I've added a link below where you can check the latest price and deals. Let's start with the layout. The ROG Azoth uses a 75% compact design, meaning it keeps the function row and arrow keys while removing unnecessary spacing found on full-size keyboards. In real-world use, this saves desk space for larger mouse movement during gaming while still keeping essential keys for productivity. The keyboard features ROG NX Snow linear mechanical switches, which come factory pre-lubed for smoother keystrokes. Linear switches provide consistent actuation without tactile bumps, making them especially popular for fast-paced gaming where rapid key presses matter. Because the keyboard is hot swappable, you can easily replace switches without soldering, allowing users to customize the typing feel with different switch types. Connectivity is another strong point. The Azoth supports tri-mode connectivity, meaning you can connect via 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, or USB wired mode. In 2.4 GHz wireless mode, gaming latency stays extremely low, making it suitable even for competitive gameplay. Bluetooth allows connection to multiple devices such as laptops, tablets, or smartphones. Battery life is also impressive. With RGB lighting turned off, the keyboard can last up to around 2,000 hours on a single charge, which means weeks or even months of typical use before needing to recharge. One unique feature is the integrated OLED display, which can show system information, keyboard settings, custom animations, or media information. Combined with the multi-function control knob, it allows quick adjustments to things like volume, lighting brightness, or device switching without opening software. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, consider giving the video a quick like. The keyboard also includes per-key RGB lighting, allowing users to customize lighting effects across the entire keyboard. The keycaps themselves are made from PBT plastic, which is more durable and resistant to shine compared to standard ABS keycaps. That means the keyboard maintains its textured feel even after long-term use. Inside the keyboard, ASUS designed the Azoth with multiple internal dampening layers, including silicone and foam materials that help reduce vibration and improve typing acoustics. In practical use, this creates a deeper and more satisfying typing sound compared to standard gaming keyboards. Compatibility is another benefit. The keyboard works with both Windows and Mac OS, making it versatile for gaming PCs as well as productivity setups. Physically, the keyboard weighs roughly around 1.2 kilograms, giving it a solid, premium feel on the desk, while still remaining portable compared to full-size keyboards. Customer feedback also reflects strong satisfaction. Across major retailers and gaming communities, the ROG Azoth typically holds ratings around 4.6 stars, with users highlighting the build quality, smooth switches, customization options, and long wireless battery life. Price is another factor buyers consider. Premium wireless mechanical keyboards with hot swap support and custom features often fall in the $200 to $300 range, placing the ROG Azoth firmly in the enthusiast category for gamers who want high-end materials and customization options. When you combine hot swappable mechanical switches, tri-mode wireless connectivity, a customizable OLED display, durable PBT keycaps, and long battery life, it becomes clear why the ASUS ROG Azoth is considered one of the most advanced compact gaming keyboards available. For gamers, streamers, and keyboard enthusiasts who want a compact but highly customizable wireless mechanical keyboard, the ROG Azoth delivers a powerful mix of performance, flexibility, and premium design. Thanks for watching Budget Buys. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe for more smart product breakdowns, and I'll catch you in the next video.